everyone, a very warm welcome to your today's chemistry session. I hope that you all are doing amazing, and the title of this session is Numericals on Mole Concept. So no matter what happens, you have to stay in the session if you really want to strengthen the mole concept. So in the previous class we have already discussed about the concept on which it is based, like it's gonna help us to find out the number of particles in a system on a microscopic level, है ना. जैसे कि I am having this glass of water, so how many water molecules are present in this? Let me taste and tell you. Obviously I cannot count. Okay, that was just an excuse to drink water. So yeah, you want to find the number of molecules that's on a microscopic level. I cannot use the normal units around me, that would be impossible with that. So we have this mole concept with us, right? So we have discussed it in the previous class. Today we will be just focusing on the numerical portion, right? So if in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, jaldi si subscribe kar lo and enjoy the session, which is gonna be a full 2 numericals, right? So before proceeding directly with the numerical, ma'am will be telling you some concept, jo formulas which I told you in the last class. So relationship between mass, mole, Avogadro's number is given in this table. You can see mass of the element. From the mass, if you want to find out the number of moles of that element, then you can use this simple formula. Just say I'm going to take an example. Let's say question is given that how many moles would be there, in 12 gram of carbon element. Okay, so it means that mass of the element is given to me. This is the mass and I have to go into the mole. Mass to moles. So I have the straight formula to use up, where n is the number of moles that is given by mass divided by molar mass. Okay, so number of moles I have to find. The mass given is 12 gram and molar mass of carbon is 12 gram per mole. Yes, so from here you will get the value simply as 1 mole. Clear hai? Not difficult. So this chart will help you if you want to do the reverse. Just if you want to come from moles to the mass, then you can use this formula. So that's a table that will help you. But I will personally advise you to not at all cram the formulas. Cramming formulas doesn't help you at all. This is my personal take on that. Okay. Otherwise also ma'am has given this in a table. Chota easy ho jayega to revise the formula. Like if number of moles of the element are given, you have to find the number of atoms, then simply use the formula. N is the number of atoms, that would be equal to number of moles multiplied by Avogadro's. Do the reverse if you have atoms and you want to find out the moles. The same concept applies here. So basically we are trying to connect mass to the moles. Yes, number of particles to the mass of the particles, and then we also find out the atoms kitne hai, molecules, ions, right? So all that is connected thing. If that was confusing for you, you can use this approach also. ये भी easy है. जैसे you are provided with grams. Let's say I am having 24 gram of carbon would be equal to how many moles? 24 gram of carbon will be equal to how many moles? So gram is given to you, mass is given. If you want to obtain the moles, simply multiply that. You have like gram se agar mole jana hai, simply you can divide with the atomic mass or molar mass. Just 24 gram is the mass. Now divide this mass in grams to its respective atomic mass. Kitna hai carbon ka? 12 hai na, gram atomic mass. So you will get 2 moles. You can simply use the formula. Just say, let's say you are asked in the question 5 moles of water will be having how many molecules of water? 5 moles of water में कितने water के molecules होंगे? You want to find that out. Then simply take the moles of water multiplied with the Avogadro number. You will get its respective atoms or molecules. आसान है, very easy, not difficult. So this flow diagram can also help you. ये सारे diagrams में one and the same thing we are using. So ma'am is revising you, like ma'am is telling you the basic formulas again. So I'm penning them down here. Note कर लेना. Number of moles of a substance will be calculated by mass given divided by its molar mass. Clear concept? Okay. The second thing, one more way of calculating the number of moles with the particles. When the question is not talking about the mass but about the number of particles. So number of particles divide by, let's say I'm representing them by capital N, dividing by the Avogadro number of particles. This will also give you mole. Then final formula hota hai, that is for number of particles calculation. Now number of particles mein you will be having atoms also, molecules also, ions also, electrons, protons, everything. Okay, so for this number of particles you will be having the simple formula. वैसे ions के लिए तो one more concept is there. We also have to see how many ions are there in the one formula unit. ठीक है, उसके बाद this continue, we also have to multiply by the respective number of ions in the one unit. I will take one such question. Okay, so for atoms and molecules, number of particles simply number of moles multiplied by Avogadro number. ये formula है, same है ये वाला. The same formula I have written. Now instead of number of moles I can also put here given mass divide by ये वाला formula, molar mass. Okay, multiplied by Avogadro number. Simple है, simple चीज. So you can connect number of particles to the mass of the substance as well. These simple three formulas you can approach by that. Otherwise you have your simple approach to solve the questions. And what is that simple approach? That is unitary method. जैसे ma'am is writing here, once 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of any substance will be equal to Avogadro number of particles present in it. Avogadro number of particles. अगर मैं mass की बात करती हूँ, 1 mole of the substance will be equal to the gram atomic mass if the substance is an atom, will be equal to its gram molecular mass if it is a molecule, और gram formula mass अगर वो क्या है ionic compound. जैसे I have taken 1 mole of sodium chloride NaCl will be having how many particles? Avogadro number of particles, or we can say NaCl की units होंगी, ठीक है, and which will be equal to its respective formula mass in gram जो कि आएगा 58.5 grams. 1 mole of water ma'am is talking about will be equal to these many water molecules and will also be equal to 18 gram. It's molecular mass in gram, right? So बस ये theory का concept use करना है, we can solve each and every numerical just like that. Right, so just pay attention here. Again, it's your call. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. If you're not comfortable with the unitary method, go with the formulas. Formula 2-3 है. You just have to shuffle them. Okay, or you can do the other way around. जैसे see this question, calculate the number of moles for the following. Okay, so number of moles and यहाँ पर 52 gram of helium is given to me. I know basic formula, number of moles is equal to mass given 52 ग्राम ऑफ हीलियम डिवाइडेड बाय हीलियम का मोलर मास कितना होता है? दैट इज सिंपली 4 ग्राम पर मोल. मोलर मास लिखते हो तो ये यूनिट यूज करते हैं, अदरवाइज यू कैन हैव ग्राम एटॉमिक मास आप यूज कर सकते हो. सो दिस विल गिव मी द आंसर. ओके, दिस विल गिव मी 13 moles. Clear? Now the second part is saying how many moles would be there in 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 number of helium atoms. Again, number of moles are asked and what is given to me? Particles are given to me. So given particles 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 divided by Avogadro number of particles. That's going to give me 2 moles. Simple. Ta-da! बहुत आसान है ना? कोई भी मेथड करो, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट, right, and do practice yourself because this is a part of your syllabus. This is not reduced from the syllabus and it should never impact you. The session is premiere or it is live. How many sessions are attending the class, that is not your concern. You have to see your independent progress. ठीक है, so what you are studying, what you are learning from the class, that is what matters the most, right? All the other parameters are just secondary, so focus on that. Calculate the mass of the following. First is saying 0.5 mole of the nitrogen gas. अब मोल से मास में जाना है. ओके, सो अगेन you have the same formula. ये यूज कर लो, number of moles, mass divided by its molar mass. ठीक है, या फिर ग्राम एटॉमिक मास, ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास. सो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कितने गिवन है मुझे? 0.5 moles is already given to me, and we are talking about nitrogen gas. Now you have to be very much particular. Nitrogen gas hai, so its gram molecular mass you have to find out. One nitrogen atom 14 gram, so 2 nitrogen ke liye 14 into 2, that will be 28 gram. Multiply by 28, this will give you the mass directly. So mass comes out to be equal to 14 grams. Very easy. Okay, so now देखो next part में it is given in the question 0.5 mole of nitrogen atom. Now there is a difference. First part में you were provided with nitrogen molecule. Okay, molecule means molecular mass you have to calculate 2 nitrogen atoms. Here it is nitrogen atom. One nitrogen atom का mass कितना होगा? Simply 14 grams you have to keep here. Okay, so you will get the mass as 7 grams. Calculate the mass of these many particles of nitrogen atoms. Use the formula, directly formula भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है. Otherwise you can use the simple unitary method. I know that Avogadro number of particles 6.022 into 10⁻23 number of nitrogen atoms will be having a mass equal to its gram atomic mass. Yes. So इसका मतलब 3.011 into 10⁻23 नाइट्रोजन एटम्स में कितना होगा मास? 14 divided by Avogadro multiplied by 3.011 into 10⁻23. Okay, easy peasy. Again you will get 7 only, so you can check the answers. देखो फिर से 7 आएगा. Right, so whatever you like you can go with that. एक बात रह गया ना, I guess. हाँ, this one 6.022, these many number of nitrogen molecules में कितना mass होगा? Just same way you can do the last part as well. Okay, just the number of particles will change over here. Simply 28 grams. Yes, super easy. Okay, so now ma'am is telling you one very important update for the students who are really eager to clear all of their concepts, who don't want to take any risk before they enter the 10th standard. You want to clear all your concept, right? So you know that Vedantu mein hamesha like the toppers come out of here. So just like that NTSC may be also we have got the toppers this time, 100 plus Vedantu students, rather to be more precise around 139 selections. 139 again we got here, and all those selections are from you people only. It's not that they live on some another planet or they cannot do it. You are only doing it. Students like you, okay, who are working hard are able to clear the exam. So if you also wanna take a chance there, 1 month ka subscription plan is available for you, so you can just practice each and everything, each and every topic. You can complete the entire syllabus within a month. Now what's better than that? So if you want to gain 100% marks is possible if you have 100% knowledge, and if your 100% concepts are clear, then only we can head towards the marks to get 100%. Yeah. So Vedantu has an improvement promise as well. अगर आप पूरे academic year के लिए साथ हो, जैसे till your final exam you are taking the subscription, then you will be provided with a guarantee that your fees would be returned back to you if you do not improve here. Right, that is the thing. So unlimited live classes you would be getting in the subscription. So जैसे यहाँ पर the session is premiere and you people get irritated from that, so it's not like that. Unlimited classes, and they all are the live classes, so you can go back and watch the replay also, because the sessions are also recorded. So if in case you miss a class, then you still have a chance to attend the quiz and to play them, because there are lots of high level quizzes in the sessions only. We have leaderboards that show your class performance report, how many stars you gained, right? The features are amazing. Compete with the students throughout the world. So on Vedantu there are students, rather not just from the country, I will say different parts of the world students here, and they all are united at the same time, and by the same teacher at the same platform. That is so beautiful. I always say that. So all those students you would be able to compete with, not just compete but engage with, because we have this We Nurture program also, just may we make sure that the child is developing holistically. So we keep on conducting amazing sessions apart from the academics. So you get to know lots of students here, you get to know lots of people, their culture, different parts of the country they are coming from. Okay, that's awesome. And obviously you compete with them in the academics as well, so that you can perform from your last time performance or from your last class performance. Interactive replays hote hain with the live quizzes and leaderboards. This ma'am has told you interactive as in it's not like menti agar aap miss karte ho you cannot attend it again, but here on Vedantu the quizzes are amazing. They are because having an interactive nature, so agar aap jate bhi ho you still get to replay that. ठीक है. Premium downloadable handwritten notes, so you don't have to worry about the notes की टेंशन नहीं करिए. You don't have to purchase any other reference book. Every study material, everything would be given to you. Assignments are given to you, and handwritten notes are there. So it's everything. And in fact now too we have also started delivering the hard copies of the notes. That is super awesome, and which is stuffed with lots and lots of questions. Plenty of questions are there, right? In class doubt solving is there with the quality test and assignment. So ma'am has told you already, after a certain period of time, after completing a chapter, we keep on conducting your test, so that you know your performance, your rank, like your analysis, in-depth analysis, your entire rank, your batch performance, how you're performing. Every note is there. Okay, so it's like a complete journey. Vedantu is not just a course that you have joined, I would say. It plays a significant role in shaping you as a human being as well, in shaping you as a person. So at least for 1 month, if you go with the trial subscription, then you will know how it works, and obviously you will complete your entire syllabus for both term 1 and term 2 just within a month, because we are having the unlimited micro courses. So unlimited micro courses are the short chapter based courses. ठीक है, so छोटे छोटे courses होते हैं chapter based. If you find मूल concept difficult, you can attend that micro course. Special topic wise भी होते हैं, so you don't have to worry about anything. So unlimited class, and per month के लिए you just have to pay around 2,000 rupees, sorry. Okay, and you are also getting how many subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, social studies, English and mathematics. Oh my goodness, so many subjects just with the 1 month subscription, and that too with a full syllabus. So obviously more classes at a lesser price. So this is a coupon code that you can apply to get extra discount. Now ma'am is going to tell you how you can avail with that. So 2nd August se we are having the new batches starting, so you still have some time to make the registrations. So ma'am is going to tell you, yeah, this is the link of the video. ये वही वीडियो है that you are attending right now. So you have to go in the description box of this video यहाँ पर, and you will see a link is there. Grade 9th we will be selecting from here, and उसके बाद select the target exam grade 9 CBSE. Okay, now it is visible. Ma'am is visible on छोटू screen now. So all I have done is, this is the video. This is the link. Subscribe to Vedantu courses now. Get 10% off. Grade 9 and CBSE 2022 is my target. So these are the 3 plans that we are having. Pro Lite is there. Pro Lite mein all the features that ma'am has told you so far you would be getting: live interactive classes, test series analysis, assignments and notes, doubt solving during the live sessions. I didn't tell you. So during the live session we have a team of class teachers who assist you with the live class doubts. So जो भी classes में doubt होते हैं, you can just get all of them resolved. Fine. And then classic mein you also get a mobile application for doubt solving. So 8 AM to 10 PM, you can 11 PM you can get all your doubts resolved, right, apart from the live classes. So that's awesome. That's slightly expensive. जैसे ये 1 month का 2,070 and this is for 790. Not a major difference, but if go for it only if you are someone who is preparing for some competitive exam, you really have a lot of doubts. Or third one feature is a personal mentor that we are having. So personal mentor में आपको और भी ज़्यादा attention मिलता है related to your studies. So career counseling sessions. If you are weakly performing in any one subject, then personal mentor will give you 1-to-1 sessions personally. They will teach you that topic. Okay, they will help you throughout the academic journey. They will make it smoother for you, right? So each and every plan works for your benefit only. So go with the simple light subscription. Try for 1 month. Just you won't know unless you try for 1 month. Okay, so all the basics will become clear for 10 standard. So this is how you have to tap in there. And these are the payment options available 2070 for all the subjects and their full syllabus. So that's like worth it. This is the coupon code that you can apply and you will like get it, right? Okay, so ma'am wants to show you how classes are conducted on Vedantu. So this is the platform. This is how your account is gonna look like. Like, is matter around is pure. Tomorrow we have a session at 6:15. So you just join in there and you will be taken to the class. Okay. Go to the past sessions. You have a feature to get the notes. You can download the notes. You can replay the sessions. यहाँ पर replay. They are interactive in nature. You will still be able to attend that. You can still, like, how many doubts were asked, were they all resolved? Yes, they all were resolved. So just like that you can tap in there and check it. Just say ye koi class hai, I'm tapping on replay, so I will get to know about it. Like 136 doubts were asked, they all were resolved, right? And at what time teacher exactly conducted the quiz, kab the page was turned, all that thing you would be just getting here. Okay, each and everything. You can also tap to download the session notes. Just say, let's say I want to download the session notes for this topic 9th and 10th jo bhi hai, right? So PDF would be downloaded for the class notes. So just after the class you can do the revision and you can just get all the information that your teacher gave you during the live session. Okay, so these are all the handwritten notes that you would be getting. Everything is there. Okay, so that's all I wanted to tell you. So try it for the 1 month. New batches are getting started now. It's all about 1 month, and you also get pro exclusive micro courses that only students from the paid batches can attend, and they would be also unlimited in number. So let's have a look at the another question on your screen. Calculate the number of atoms of sodium and 3.2 mole of sodium. That is very easy. I know 1 mole of sodium will be having how many atoms of sodium? Avogadro atoms. है ना? So I can say 3.2 mole में कितने होंगे? Avogadro multiplied by 3.2. Simple, कुछ भी नहीं किया. या unitary method भी shy feel करेगा. अरे, so easy. Mole concept. That is there you go, the mole concept. That's so easy. How many moles are there in 12.044 into 10 to the 24 molecules of ammonia? So you have to find out the moles. Number of particles are given to you, 12.044 into 10 to the 23 molecules. Divide by Avogadro, you will get the moles. Answers are written here, so you can just go and check it out, right? What is the mass of 5 mole of silicon atoms? 1 mole में 28 grams है. So for the 5 you can calculate very easily. Not difficult. The same goes here. How many moles will be there in 120 gram of sodium hydroxide? Moles. Mass given is 12 grams. So take the molar mass, 40 grams per mole. So you will get your answer. ठीक है, कर सकते हो. Moles पूछे थे ना? हाँ. This is 120. So it comes out to be equal to 3 mole. Right, very easy. Okay. You have to do this at your home. This is the homework question. Iska answer aap doge mujhe. I'm going to give you 2 homework questions. This I want the answer in the comment section for both the parts. Don't cheat from here. ठीक है? चलो, देखो, pay attention to this question. This is important. Now here you have to pay attention whenever you have a question related to the ions. The question is saying calculate the number of ions present in this much gram of the compound. Ions वाले question में get active. Okay, is like, okay, super active. So first of all, I will find, before calculating the number of ions, you calculate the number of particles, number of formula unit of sodium chloride. So I'm writing it here. Number of formula unit of NaCl. Formula I would be using here, given mass divided by molar mass into Avogadro number. Simple hai, I have told you the formula. So mass given is 5.85 ग्राम. मोलर मास अगर निकालोगे that will come out to be 58.5 gram per mole. Avogadro number, you know the value. Now you have to stop here. A lot of students will give this as the answer. बोलेंगे हो गया. But you have to stop here because you have just calculated number of NaCl unit. But question is asking about the number of ions. So you have to remember that ये चीज ध्यान में रखना है. One formula unit of sodium chloride is having how many ions? 2 ions. एक formula unit NaCl में 1 sodium ion is there, 1 chloride ion. So total how many ions are there? 2 ions. So these many formula unit of NaCl will be having how many ions? 5.85 divided by 58.5 multiplied by Avogadro multiplied by 2. That will be your final answer, because question is not asking about the formula unit of NaCl but about the ions. So you know that one formula unit of NaCl is having 2 ions. So these many formula units would be having how many ions? Multiplied by 2. This will be your final answer. 1.2044 into 10 raised to 23 number of ions. Similarly, the question can just ask you how many number of sodium ions are there, how many chloride ions are there. So you have to be very much active with that. ठीक है, आपको ध्यान रखना है that you're not doing it wrong. So just ions वाले question are the most important one. Rest all the type remains the same. Okay, so these were some of the numericals on the mole concept. So I hope you enjoyed them. So if in case you did not understood a portion, then go back and see in the replay. फिर से practice करो or take a screenshot of the slides. You can download the notes from the PDF section after some time of this class, and tell me the second homework question in the comment section. Calculate the mass of 2.5 moles of sulfuric acid. That's so easy. Okay, so if you want to try 1 month subscription of Vedantu, then go ahead. You have a lot of time. Coupon code ma'am has shared with you, and you can always attend the micro courses from the higher standards as well. Okay, Shilpi ma'am will see you next time. Till then, take care, stay hydrated and happy. Bye bye.